Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we'll be looking at how to install the Flutter Fire CLI on your machine. Now, what is Flutter Fire? Flutter Fire is a tool which is used to easily link your Flutter projects with the Firebase, and without wasting much time, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and let's get started. Now, if you are on Windows, you don't really need to do much. Just go to the website and download the Node.js, then unzip and install. Simple as that. But if you're on Linux, there are some things you need to do. So first of all, fire up your terminal, and in this website it has some commands on how we can install Node.js on our computer. So first of all, we'll check if we have curl installed on our computer with sudo apt install curl, and then you input the command of your system, the password, to install it. And when that is done, you copy this. I'll leave the link in the description to copy all these commands, paste in your terminal, and it will install the Node.js, which is version 14. After that is done, then we'll type in the sudo apt install y Node.js in our terminal, and this is done. So I ran into some errors while I tried to install the Flutter Fire, and if you run into errors too, you can do this. So first of all, you create a directory called the npm global, then you configure it. Don't worry, I'll leave the link in the description also below. Export the path to your global bin in your terminal, and then enter the last command to update the system variable. Paste it. This is just very easy. I'll leave the link in the description below if you also run into errors while installing it the first time. If you also want to update your Node version, you can come to this website over here, and the first thing we check if you have Node version manager installed. So nvm version, paste it, and you can see we don't have it installed yet. So copy this and then paste in our terminal. And now we are through. So we have the option of closing and opening back our terminal, or just using the following commands to add it to our system variable. So I'll just copy these commands and paste it to add the nvm in my system variable. And if you type nvm now, you see that it will bring out a command showing that nvm has been successfully installed. So you can also try node version to check our node version, and also if it has not been installed yet, or to update it, you can use the following command nvm node install, so it will update it. Or you can also use the apt sudo apt get install node.js. Let's copy this and put it in our terminal, paste, and then you also type in your password for this. And as you can see, we already have the latest version installed on our computer. So this is just how to update your Node version. And now it's time to install the Firebase tools with npm install Firebase G, which is global Firebase tools, and then start installing. And this is done, but there's an issue. If you try to type in the Firebase command, you get Firebase command not found. If you try to log in with the Firebase login, you get the Firebase command not found. So how can you solve this? Let's check that now. After a long time searching, I found the solution in this Stack Overflow. And the solution is copy this and paste it here to add its alias Firebase npm config to add it to your system variables. And now if you type Firebase, you can get the command. Now it's time to log in your Firebase. So Firebase login ci, and then to log in and redirect over here for you to log in into your app. So choose your mail. Now it is successful, so it's time to install the Flutter Fire CLI. So that's pub global activate Flutter Fire CLI to install and activate it. And there's another issue here. If you type in the Flutter Fire, it tell you command not found. You try to configure, because there is a command called Flutter Fire configure Flutter Fire CLI. It tell you command not found. So let's solve this now. And I find the solution again thanks to Stack Overflow. So the first thing I'll be doing is to reinstall that pub global activate Flutter Fire CLI. This will install all the dependencies it needs, as you can see it here. And this is done installing, so we need to copy that and paste it so as to install the Flutter Fire in our system variable. Now if you type the Flutter Fire, it will show it, but we're having error because this is not a Flutter directory and we can't use the Flutter Fire here. And if you want to get a list of your Firebase projects, just type Firebase projects list, it should show. And we are getting the same error again, so we can paste the command here again, but we can't just always be copying and pasting the command anytime we want to use the Firebase command. So you can come here home and then press Ctrl H. If you can't see your bash.bashrc file, Ctrl H is to show the hidden files. So here is my bashrc file. Open it up, and somewhere down here you can just copy the command and paste it in there. So now you don't have to always copy and paste the command in your terminal anytime you want to use the Firebase command anymore. Now let's check if everything is installed correctly. The Firebase command is working quite well, and then the Firebase project list, this is one. Okay, so Firebase projects list, so get all your projects which you have in Firebase. I think I'll have to log in again, and now you can see all the projects I have in Firebase. So this is the end of our lesson. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also like this video, comment down below what you want to see in the next video, and I'll see you in the next lesson.